FIFA, the governing body of world football, published the latest rankings on its website. The next ranking will be released on September 19. World champions Argentina moved to the top of the rankings in April last year, ousting arch rivals Brazil. They have held the top position for 15 months. France, who were eliminated from the semi-finals of the Euros, are in the second place. The Spains have gained the most points in the latest rankings. The position of the team is number 3. Euro runner-up England has moved up to 4th place. Brazil, which has been consistently playing poorly, has dropped to 5. As a reward for reaching the Copa final, Colombia has emerged as number 9. Number 14, Morocco, who played in the semi-finals of the World Cup in Qatar, is at the top of the African teams. Japan is at the top of the Asian teams. They are at number 18. Thank you for watching this